Viewers, we are just hours away from polling in West Bengal as the final phase of voting is set to get underway at 7 a.m. tomorrow. Now, ahead of elections, the Election Commission has rushed in a massive contingent of central forces to ensure violence-free second leg of polling. A row is brewing in Bengal over Uttar Pradesh's well-known encounter specialist. We're talking about Ajay Pal Sharma, who has been deployed as a poll observer in West Bengal South 24 Parganas to ensure law and order during elections is maintained. And this has sparked a fresh political war of words between the Bharatiya Janata Party and the Trinamool Congress. And this has now exploded as the IPS showed up at the doorstep of a TMC leader, Jahangir Khan, and issued a warning on camera against any attempt to threaten or intimidate the voters. First up, here's the viral video that has sparked a massive controversy.
तो फिर उसकी खबर फिर अच्छे चलेंगे हम। ये जहांगीर के घर वाले भी खड़े हैं, उसको बता देना कायदे से। ये बार-बार जो खबरें आ रही हैं कि उसके लोग धमका रहे हैं, तो फिर अच्छे से खबर लेंगे, फिर बाद में रोना पछताना मत। तो फिर उसकी खबर फिर अच्छे चलेंगे हम। ये जहांगीर के घर वाले भी खड़े हैं, उसको बता देना कायदे से। ये बार-बार जो खबरें आ रही हैं कि उसके लोग धमका रहे हैं, तो फिर अच्छे से खबर लेंगे, फिर बाद में रोना पछताना मत।
So you just heard what Ajay Pal Sharma had to say. This video has gone viral. Then Times Now questioned IPS Ajay Sharma as well. We have not got any response from the allegations that have been made by Trinamool Congress. Ajay Sharma, in a sequence that we are just going to bring to you, avoided our questions, and TMC clearly has made it a big issue. We are talking about Uttar Pradesh encounter specialist Ajay Pal Sharma, who has been deployed as police observer in West Bengal South 24 Parganas, and he on camera was heard issuing a warning to TMC candidate Jahangir Khan, saying he will be dealt with properly if his people continue to threaten the voters in the constituency of poll-bound state. Now, this particular video that you just saw is going viral on social media as well. And Shivam, my colleague, is joining us live right now for more on this. Shivam, you did try to, get in a word from Ajay Sharma, but what exactly happened? Explain to our viewers before we play out that sequence for our viewers.
Exactly, Ina. So to give a context to the viewers for the video that will be played after this particular segment is that Ajay Sharma was again today patrolling in the same area. This is the Falta constituency from where Jahangir, the candidate from the Trinamool Congress, is standing for the election. The voting is due within the next 1 or 15 hours. And there were reports coming into the police officials that there is an effort of intimidation of voters from the side of the Trinamool Congress and Jahangir. After which the IPS Ajay Sharma basically went to the nearby area, and then he was, like yesterday also he was doing the patrolling, and today also there were certain TMC supporters that they basically raised slogan and registered their protest. Remember, the office of the TMC is very near to the distributing, facilities where the EVM will be distributed as well. So again, it is a very high tense area. There's a high security, and at that particular point also today the confrontation happened with the certain TMC.
Please stay on with us. Let's play out that entire sequence for our viewers.
Trinamool is basically saying that, sir, your posting is done by the central government, sir. Sir, anything you want to say like that, sir? Sir, your posting is basically being said that it is being Trinamool saying it's the political conspiracy, sir. Sir, the leaders are basically saying, sir, that there is an issue with your past records, sir. Anything you want to say, sir? So you can see Mr. Ajay, who is currently passing through the Falta constituency currently. Times basically tried to ask questions from him regarding the, what's his take on the kind of allegation that is currently going on against him. But he says that he is not authorized to speak, and he is not speaking. He's just passing by through his constituency currently in the Falta region. Remember, yesterday also when it comes to Jahangir, the candidate of Trinamool Congress, there were certain warnings being given by Mr. Ajay against Jahangir, after which today the TMC protesters also protested against the IPS officer when he was passing through the same area.
Now, viewers, the Bharatiya Janata Party called him UP ka Singham, cracking down on TMC's goons. They say the era of intimidating voters is over. The TMC then responded by releasing videos of Ajay Pal Sharma, alleged videos of Ajay Pal Sharma, and asked whether this is the Paribortan they plan to introduce in Bengal.
If you think by doing these illegal activities that after 4th of May you will go back to your state and you will be saved by your political masters, let me say this in no uncertain terms. We will find you. We will file an FIR against you. There will be a charge sheet filed against you. And we will drag you to the court of law where the strongest arm of the law will fall upon you.
Now, viewers, let's tell you a little bit more about this particular officer in question, because his posting in Bengal as an observer has become a big political story that has triggered war of words as well between the BJP and the Trinamool Congress. So let's tell you a little bit about UP ka Singham Ajay Pal Sharma. He's a 2011 batch IPS officer from the UP cadre, additional CP in Prayagraj. He's a qualified dental surgeon. Now comes the very interesting part here. Now, in his resume, he's accused in 2020 cash for posting scam. Then he was exonerated. But then in 2019, he was also accused in private criminal complaint. That investigation is still underway. So this is a little bit about UP ka Singham Ajay Pal Sharma, who has in fact ignited this big political storm ahead of the second phase of polling in Bengal. Now we have some more breaking inputs coming in, viewers, at this point in time. There's a petition against Singham in Calcutta High Court. Calcutta High Court, in fact, has refused to intervene in this particular matter. This plea was filed against Ajay Pal Sharma. Court says the courts cannot really interfere in the matter. Let's go across to my colleague Rajesh, who's joining us live at this point in time. Rajesh, tell us a little bit more about this petition that was filed in Calcutta High Court.
See, an advocate has filed a petition before Kolkata High Court against this UP cadre IPS officer Ajay Pal Sharma, and he has three allegations. The advocate alleged that that IPS officer Ajay Pal Sharma is going beyond his authority, and he's just a police observer, but he's doing something which is not his job, and he was entrusted with the polling duties only, but he is now threatening and intimidating the voters so that they can't cast their votes in the Ahmedabad Assembly constituency. That was second allegation. And the third allegation was that the way he's speaking with the people, he's speaking with the common voters, is clear violation of AMCC. And with these three allegations, the advocate has filed a petition before the single bench led by Justice Krishna Rao at Kolkata High Court. But after reading all the petition papers, the Justice has refused to intervene into this matter.
Right.
For now, the Justice, Kolkata High Court Justice Krishna Rao has said
Right.
she will not intervene into this matter until 29th of April. And
Right.
court is not going to interfere
All right.
in the
Rajesh,
work
I'm
of
interrupting
all
you
those
there.
officers.
Please stay on with us. Shivam also continues to be with us at this point in time. Let's tell our viewers a little bit more about this story, because there are other layers as well. Now, amid the political storm over UP encounter cop, the TMC candidate in the eye of the storm, Jahangir Khan, also issued a warning in response. Making a filmy taunt, he says if Ajay Pal Sharma is Singham, then he is Pushpa.
একটা অজয় পাল শর্মা উনি একটা পুলিশ অবজারভার, ওনার কোনো এখতিয়ার নেই, ইলেকশন কমিশনের কোনো রুলস নেই যে উনি ডাইরেক্ট সশরীরে উপস্থিত থেকে ধমকানো চমকানোর। ওনার যদি কিছু বলার থাকে উনি লোকাল এসপি, লোকাল আইসিকে উনি অর্ডার করতে পারে। উনি নিজে ডাইরেক্ট সশরীরে উপস্থিত থেকে ধমকাবে চমকাবে, এটা আমরা মেনে নেব না। উনি নিজেকে বলছে আমি সিংহম, উনি যদি নিজেকে সিংহম মনে করে, আমরাও মনে করি নিজেকে পুষ্পা, ঝুঁকেগা নি।
And viewers, that's not all. He had also said, picture abhi baki hai, saying that Ajay Pal is making a huge claim by shielding CRPF. He also said if Durgas of the region unite, the CRPF will disappear, and the women of the region know how to tighten BJP's agent CRPF. Listen in.
খেলাটা শুরু করেছে, কিন্তু শেষটা আমরা করব।
তাই পিকচার আমি বাকি মেরা দোস্ত সময় শুরু হয়েছে। তোমরা ভাবছো নিজেকে কয়েকটা সিআরপিএফ নিয়ে বড় বড় বাতালা দিচ্ছ, কিন্তু আজকের বঙ্গনগর 1 নম্বর অঞ্চলে মানুষ যদি হেঁটে যায় না, সিআরপিএফ হাওয়ায় উড়ে যাবে। একইভাবে বিজেপির দালাল সিআরপিএফ কে কিভাবে জব্দ করতে হয়, কিভাবে টাইট করতে হয়, সেটা ভালোভাবে জানে।
And viewers, let's once again show you the sequence wherein Times Now confronted IPS officer Ajay Pal Sharma over allegations linked to the TMC, and here's what happened.
Trinamool is basically saying that, sir, your posting is done by the central government, sir. Sir, anything you want to say like that, sir? Sir, your posting is basically being said that it is being Trinamool saying it's the political conspiracy, sir. Sir, he's basically, the leaders are basically saying, sir, that there is an issue with your past records, sir. Anything you want to say, sir? So you can see Mr. Ajay, who is currently passing through the Falta constituency currently. Times basically tried to ask questions from him regarding the, what's his take on the kind of allegation that is currently going on against him. But he says that he is not authorized to speak, and he is not speaking. He's just passing by through his constituency currently in the Falta region. Remember, yesterday also, when it comes to Jahangir, the candidate of Trinamool Congress, there were certain warnings being given by Mr. Ajay against Jahangir, after which today the TMC protesters also protested against the IPS officer when he was passing through the same area.
All right. Thank you very much for the moment, Shivam, as well as Rajesh. Appreciate both of you for joining us with your inputs on this story.